Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be talking about how to take accurate body measurement, because this is the foundation of every outfit. Even if you are not making your own outfit, you want to send your measurement to a designer to make your outfit, then you need to know how to take accurate body measurement. There are two measurements to consider when you're taking your body measurement. One is the vertical measurement and the other is the horizontal measurement. The vertical measurement is any measurement from the nape of your neck down to your hip bone, while the horizontal measurement is any measurement round your body. That will show the fullness. So we are going to start with the shoulder measurement. So for you to take an accurate shoulder measurement, you need to go from your shoulder bone to the other shoulder bone. So for this, see how I did it? This is 16. You don't take it like this. You don't take it like this. It has to be like this. It has to go across your back like this. For this, it is 16. So then we move to the vertical measurement. The second measurement will be your bust point. So the bust point is the point at which the fullest point of the boobs. The fullest point of your boobs will be the bust point. So here it is 10.5. For your under bust, it is 14. Under bust is usually 3.5 away from your bust measurement, but it does vary. For people with bigger bust, it does vary. When the waist measurement is 19. A little tip on how to get the point of your waist point is always the tiniest point. The tiniest point of your waist. Or sometimes I always take like 1 inch above my navel. 1 inch above your navel will also give you your waistline point. Then the next measurement will be our hip point, and the hip point will be the fullest hips. So basically it's always like the point that we use to sit. So I always tell people like what the place you use to sit. So for this, the hip point is 28. Horizontal body measurements now. I'll take the bust first. You take your tape measure round the bust, and it has to be the fullest point. Usually the bust point, we took the bust point for the vertical measurement. It will be the same point that you will now take the bust circumference from. So see, we have make sure it's standing well at the back. See the back. And usually a tip I always do is to put one finger inside so that it's not too tight and it's not too loose. One finger inside, it will help you make sure that it's not too tight and it's not too loose. So we have 37.5 for this. So then we do the same thing for our under bust. You go just right under the bust, where usually if you're wearing like a bra, it's where the cup of the bra sits. So the under bust circumference right now is 30. It's 30. Always put one finger inside to help you so that it's not too tight and it's not too loose. So for the waist measurement, we do the same thing. And remember, your horizontal measurement has to be at the same point where you took your vertical measurement. This is very, very important. So our waist measurement is 24.5. See, I have my one finger in is 24.5. The same thing with the hips. We do our hips. It goes round the fullest point. I'm going to turn the hips so that you see the fullest point. See, the fullest point of the hips is what you will use for your horizontal measurement. And for this, we have 44. I have my one finger in to help me so that you know that it is not too tight. And that is it for our measurements. Those are the basic measurements you need. And sometimes, you know, you might need your bust pan. The bust pan is the nipple to nipple, usually the distance between one nipple to the other nipple. So see, for this mannequin, the bust pan is 7.5, and it does vary. For some is 8, for some is 9, for some is 10. So don't do guesswork. Always ensure you take your accurate body measurement to get the perfect structure for your garment.